Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your YouTube profile picture on your phone. Very easy to do. It's actually just done on the YouTube application. So all you have to do is head over to YouTube and open that up. And then it'll just bring you over to your main page here. You just want to make sure you're logged into your account, obviously, on YouTube. Once you are, you just want to click on the picture, your display picture in the top right corner. And then once you're on this account page here, you just want to click on Manage Your Google Account just under your email there. And then once you're on this portion on your Google account, you just want to click on your profile photo in the top, and then you can click on Set Profile Picture, and then it'll just ask you to choose from your photos or take a photo. So I'll just click Choose from Photos and just click a random picture. And then you just want to click on Choose. Then as you guys can see here, it's just going to update the picture, and it will take about, about probably an hour to 6 hours to change everywhere. So if you use your account on YouTube Studio or on certain pages and stuff like that, it won't refresh right away. That's what I found, at least. But if you just give it a little bit of time, it will. But yeah, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.